Okay, I hope you got on okay with the homework last night. So we're continuing on with section 10.5. So just some more questions where we're given information about the terms and we have to find the general term. Okay, so question 7 in exercise 10.5. In an arithmetic sequence, t1 plus t5 is 0 and t13 is 20. Find the value of a and the value of d. Okay, so first we're going to sort out t1, then t5, and then t13. So t1. So again, we're starting with our arithmetic sequence formula. A is the first term and D is the common difference. Okay. So if n is 1, t1, so instead of n we're putting in 1, we have A plus 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0d is just 0. So t1 is equal to A. Okay. t5 then is equal to A plus, if n is 5, then n minus 1 is 4. Okay, and t13, we know more about t13. We know t13 is 20. In this one we know that t1 plus t5 is equal to 0. So t1 is A, t5 is A plus 4d. So A plus A is 2A, so 2A plus 4d equals 0. Okay, over here A plus n is 13, so n minus 1 is 12. So A plus 12d equals 20. So now we have two equations, so again simultaneous equations with A and D unknown. Now this is a 2A and this is A and this is a 4d and this is a 12d. So we need one of the letters to have the same value and the opposite sign, and we can make that happen. Okay, so what I'm going to do is bring this down here and I'm going to multiply it by minus 2. So everything gets multiplied by minus 2. So then this becomes minus 2A minus 24d equals minus 40. Okay, and the reason I do that is so that the a's will go away, because we can only solve one thing at a time. Okay, so I have 4d and I'm taking 24d, so I'm left with minus 20d is equal to minus 40. So d equals minus 40 over minus 20. So d is 2. And then once I have d, I can find a. So any of your equations, so I'm going to go with the first one, 2a plus 4d equals 0, and I'm filling in d. Okay, so 2a plus 4 times 2 equals 0, so 2a plus 8 equals 0. So 2a equals minus 8, so a equals minus 8 over 2, so a equals minus 4. So my first term is minus 4. My common difference is 2. So all they wanted you to do was find a and d in the first part. So that's the first part answered. And then it says show that the second term is twice the first term. So we can get our Tn. It's the easiest way to do it. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So Tn is equal to minus 4 plus n minus 1 times 2. So Tn is equal to minus 4 plus 2n minus 2. So Tn is equal to 2n minus 6. Okay. So they want us to show the seventh term. So if we do T7, we get 2 times 7 minus 6. 2 sevens is 14. Minus 6 is 8. I just have the wrong sign there now, so I'm just wondering did I do something wrong somewhere. Because the first term is, show that the seventh term is twice the first term. Let's just have a look through again. T1 is a plus 0d. T5 is a plus 4d. So a plus 4d is 0. 2a plus 4d is 0. And here T13 is 20, so a plus 12d is 20. Bring this down, multiply by minus 2. minus, minus, minus. I'm going to have a look at that and come back to you. Okay, so for today it's just more of the same. So there's ones like this where you might be adding a term, or you might just be doing what we were doing yesterday, so it's just practicing what we've done. Okay, exercise 10.5, page 290, questions 8 to 11 and 14, and then test yourself. Page 299, questions 1 and 2, except part D of question 2, because we don't have that done yet. Yeah, and just checking the back, these are the correct answers. Show that the 7th term is twice the first term. The first term is minus 4. Okay, so that question is a bit weird, but it seems to be right. Okay, alright. Okay, have a good weekend. I'll chat to you on Monday.